Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already have a product. Now move fast. First, define the exact audience by age, zip, employment, and coverage needs so your ads speak directly to them. Next, set up Facebook Business Manager, an ad account, and install the pixel on your landing page to track conversions. Finally, craft a single, clear lead form and a compelling offer headline. This gives you measurable responses and immediate data to optimize from day one. Once the basics are live, create campaigns with a lead generation objective or traffic to a purpose-built landing page depending on compliance. You should A/B test 3 creatives and 3 audience segments at once so you identify winners quickly. Make sure to set a 7 to 14-day conversion window and use lowest cost initially. Then try manual bids on top performers to control CPL. Monitor frequency and creative fatigue. Rotate assets to keep. You must close quickly. Route leads into your CRM and trigger an instant follow-up so you contact prospects within 5 minutes. Score each lead by answers and behavior, then prioritize hot prospects for same-day calls. Once conversions are stable, scale budgets slowly and replicate winning audiences. If volume declines, troubleshoot by verifying pixel events, removing audience overlap, and checking ad relevance scores. That usually restores performance. Also test landing page load times. Slow pages kill conversion rates fast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.